This is Landmark Beach, one of the most popular in-city beach resorts in Lagos, Nigeria. So you know I had to have a beach day with my girl Hadassah during my last vacation in Lagos. Here is how it went.
Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make me feel like carnival. I don't lock you down like criminal.
Waiting for Esther with my baggy everything, head to toe.
You said, I hope no one discovers you. I hope no one sees you. And you said, I hope no one falls in love with you. You got your reason. As if I knew what I know, now I know you wouldn't stand a chance. There'd be no way I'd go for a man like you if I had options. You know that the world was made for me, but I'm already famous.
Welcome to Landmark Beach. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Like, this is meant to be happening right now.
Yeah.
And it's happening. And I'm here.
You feel shy, right?
Welcome.
Thank
We
you.
want to enter water.
Okay.
I'll meet with the ancestors.
Okay,
I'm
we'll be fine.
I said, bartender, I need 1 shot whiskey, 2 shots of pain, and a dash of some memory. With life's lemons, I made lemonade. Does it still taste the same if I mix it with some Hennessy? Dreams of being young and unafraid, but I loved somebody and it drained all my energy. Ooh, and I thought that love was magnificent. I remember being 7 years old, thinking, oh my God, what's it feel to be 23? Now I'm 27, staring at a kid in the mirror, and all I do is wonder if he's proud of me. Broken promises made me this way, I swear I wasn't always numb and indifferent. Bartender, I need 1 shot of whiskey, but what could I tip you to refund my innocence?
No, man. Maybe this is the season where God just wants you to put every ounce of trust in Him.
I put my arms through you and from my hands. I put my arms and show you that I am. I put my arms
Almost at the finish line. 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 She's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it.
Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix.
Queen of the coast is back to visit. Woohoo! It's mommy water. I didn't know I carried mommy water with me.
Baby swim, baby harder, baby lose my breath, baby water, baby swim.
Water came, but my name is too strong.
Baby water.
is sunning, baby. See, my skin is glowing. Oh God, this is what the beach will do to you. A chill day under hot sun. I will soon run and go back into the water, but I want to read for a bit first. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.